Want to see player usage trends like snap counts in NFL Fantasy app? Here's how to check them. First, open the NFL Fantasy app and make sure to log into your account. Now, tap on the league option to head over to your league. From your team page or the waiver wire, tap on the player name you want to research. This opens the player's profile. Scroll down past the fantasy points and projections. You'll find the option of stats. Go ahead and select that. Here you will find the snap counts, percentage of offensive plays, and how their usage has changed week to week. This is especially helpful for spotting players who are getting more playing time even if the fantasy points haven't spiked yet. And that's it. Now you know how to track snap counts and usage trends right inside the NFL Fantasy app. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.